Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Klarna card using supported US banking flows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize a Klarna card using supported US banking flows, start by ensuring you have your Klarna card handy. Open the Klarna app on your mobile device or visit the Klarna website on your computer. Log into your Klarna account using your registered email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the cards section in the app or website. Select the Klarna card you wish to authorize. Look for the option to authorize card or activate card. Click on that option to initiate the authorization process. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details. Provide the necessary information, including your account number and routing number. Make sure the bank account is valid and has sufficient funds for verification. Select the bank account type, such as checking or savings. Once you have entered the details, review them for accuracy. Click on the Submit button to send your authorization request. Now, wait for a confirmation message indicating your request is being processed. You may receive a verification code via SMS or email to confirm your identity. Enter that verification code in the designated field. After submitting the code, wait for the final confirmation of your card authorization. Once authorized, you will receive a notification within the app or via email. Your Klarna card is now ready for use with your authorized bank account. If you encounter any issues during the process, check the FAQ section of the Klarna app or website for assistance. Should problems persist, consider reaching out to Klarna's customer support for help. Following these steps will ensure a smooth authorization of your Klarna card. Enjoy your seamless shopping experience with Klarna. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.